This is my project file.
Alright, so your project file looks really good. And are you prepared for your Viva?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so now I'll ask you some questions based on this project file. So, what do you understand by comparative statement?
Comparative a statement which compares financial data from different periods of time is called comparative statement.
Okay, I can see that you have used accounting ratios as well in this project. So, can you define net profit ratio?
A net profit ratio is computed by dividing net profits by revenue from operations, and it is expressed in the form of percentage.
Alright, good. And how is a company's performance measured? How can we measure a company's performance?
A company's performance is measured through different financial ratios, and a financial ratio is basically a relationship between different financial statement items. Although it shows historic data, but still the management uses these ratios to identify their future performances.
Okay, you look very well prepared.
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, so one more question. What is the difference between absolute and relative change?
Absolute change and relative change. Sir, I have a doubt. Can you please ask another question?
Alright, no issues.
Thank you.
So now I will ask you some general questions
Okay.
based on accountancy, which will not be from this particular file, but based on general accounting knowledge.
Okay.
So first question is define accounting.
Okay. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money.
Good.
Transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character, and interpreting the results thereof to the users.
Perfect. You seem really well prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next question is define bookkeeping.
Bookkeeping is a part of accounting, and it is basically concerned with record keeping and maintenance of books, and it is a routine and clerical task.
Alright. One last question. Can you tell me what is balance sheet equation?
A balance sheet equation, okay, it is assets is equals to liabilities plus capital.
Alright, very nice.
Thank you.
So that will be all for this Viva.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.